How to make a straight edge to cut long, heavy pieces of board by yourself using a skill saw. Scrap piece of plywood, cut it off at 50 inches. That should cover most things you need to cut the width. You want a factory edge or very straight edge on one side. Take a thinner piece of scrap plywood, also with a factory edge, cut it to the same length, 50 inches, and then nail it into place. Then take your skill saw, running your guide along the edge of there from your saw table. Now you have a custom jig for cutting straight pieces. Clamp into place on your marks. Perfectly straight edge, both pieces. Now that's fandango. Subscribe to my channel. This is Away, Reverend Colonel signing out.